How to create an OpenAI account. So for that, open up your Google or your Chrome browser and then go and search for OpenAI. And on the first search, you will have openai.com. Click on that. And if you scroll down, you will find an option which says try ChatGPT. Click on that. And you will have two options here. So to create an OpenAI account, click on sign up. And you can enter your email address. But if you don't want to do this, you can also continue with Google or you can also continue with Microsoft account. So after entering your email address, click on continue. And then you should fill this field. You can enter your password, any password that you would like, make a strong one, and then click on continue. And then OpenAI will send a code to your Gmail. After entering that code, you will be ready to use your OpenAI. So that's it. That's how you create your OpenAI account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.